How to start a keto diet. Hello everyone. So you want to start a keto diet? Congratulations! This low-carb, high-fat diet can be incredibly effective for weight loss and improved health. Starting any new diet can be overwhelming, and the keto diet is no exception. Don't worry though, we're here to help. We will teach you everything you need to know about starting a keto diet, including how to calculate your macros, what foods to eat and avoid, and some helpful tips and tricks. By the end of this guide, you'll be well on your way to reaching your weight loss and health goals on the keto diet. Don't miss out on our next update. Subscribe and get your hands on the latest stories before the rest. What is the keto diet? First up, let's look at what the keto diet is. The keto diet is a low-carb, high-fat way of eating that has been shown to lead to weight loss and improved health. On a keto diet, you eat primarily fatty foods like meat, fish, eggs, butter, oils, and nuts. You also eat some non-starchy vegetables, like leafy greens and broccoli, but you avoid all other carbohydrates, including sugars, grains, starchy vegetables like potatoes, and even fruit. As a result of eating such a high-fat, low-carb diet, your body enters a state of ketosis. In ketosis, your body starts burning fat for energy instead of carbohydrates. This can lead to weight loss and improved health markers like blood sugar and cholesterol levels. Why start a keto diet? Next, let's talk about why you should consider starting a keto diet. There are many reasons why people start keto diets. Some people do it for weight loss, while others do it for improved health. The keto diet is an effective weight loss tool. One study found that people who followed a keto diet for 24 weeks lost an average of 12% of their body weight, without having to calorie restrict or exercise more. In addition to promoting weight loss, the keto diet can also improve some health markers. One study found that the keto diet improved blood sugar and cholesterol levels in people with type 2 diabetes. Other studies have shown that the keto diet can help reduce inflammation, improve brain function, and even protect against certain kinds of cancer. How to start a keto diet. Now that you know all about the keto diet, what it is, its benefits, and who should start one, it's time to learn how to actually start the diet. The first step to starting a keto diet is to calculate your macros. Macros are the three nutrients, protein, fat, and carbs, that make up the food you eat. On a keto diet, you need to consume more fat than carbohydrates. The exact ratio of fat to carbs will depend on your individual goals, but most people aim for a ratio of 2:1 or 3:1. Once you know how many calories and macros you should be eating, it's time to choose your foods. When it comes to food selection on a keto diet, there are three main things to keep in mind. Firstly, focus on high-fat foods. Your diet should be mostly made up of high-fat foods like meat, fish, eggs, butter, oils, and nuts. These foods will help you reach your fat macro goals. Secondly, eat some non-starchy vegetables. You should also eat some non-starchy vegetables like leafy greens and broccoli. These foods are low in carbs but high in nutrients, making them a perfect addition to the keto diet. Thirdly, avoid all other carbohydrates. All other carbohydrates, including sugars, grains, starchy vegetables like potatoes, and even fruit, should be avoided on a keto diet. These foods are high in carbs and will kick you out of ketosis. Tips for starting a keto diet. Starting a keto diet can be challenging, especially if you're used to eating a lot of carbohydrates. Here are a few tips to help you make the transition. If you're used to eating a high-carb diet, it's best to start slowly and gradually increase the amount of fat you're eating. This will give your body time to adjust to the new eating method. When you first start a keto diet, you may experience what's known as the keto flu. This is a normal response to carb withdrawal and should only last a few days. To help ease the symptoms, make sure you're drinking plenty of water. Another common symptom of the keto flu is low energy levels. To help combat this, make sure you're getting enough salt in your diet. When you're on a keto diet, it's essential to avoid processed foods as much as possible. These foods are usually high in carbs and low in nutrients, making them a poor choice for anyone, especially those on a keto diet. Sleep is an integral part of any healthy lifestyle, but it's vital when you're on a keto diet. This is because sleep deprivation can increase stress levels, which can make it more challenging to stick to a keto diet. Make sure you're getting at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night. Exercise is another crucial part of a healthy lifestyle, but it's essential when you're on a keto diet. And that's a wrap. Let us know your thoughts in the comments.